Namkela kambe kapasta Xitsonga analyst. Hey. Here, of course, I'm Teta Carolina Mayengani, the president. Lengata linka na Dr. Joshi Remane. At the same time, I mean, Dr. Joshi Remane, the previous project. Yeah, he wants to have it taking Katsakole, continue with the Govula, Metrobeatz, then I'm of course take a Blissbouy. Yeah, continue very beefy Ranga Pandana. Based on the previous update, I'm sure of course I come to Mato, Benmanga comes to Mato, Zombongi, La Korshko to Dr. Joshi Remane, hopefully watch that video and say, I'm not because of took time one post over the way, that's the Matsama would have the Stalango. Because after that post, Mraga Padai hits another post that comes to Mato. Question 1. Why have I posted Liamin? I'm got the good terms. I don't know, Dr. Joshi, you know, he comes to Mato, we like as a ball poison bar, got the good terms because the Aran's one chum. I think I refer to interview Shangan Gaga and do a Chela Campbell, even got previous videos should go on Quarandi. I mean, some of the previous videos. And then question 2, Evan Banja, no I win. That's what, of course, Bill Megan asked for, and there's a joke. And then also, Hlavu, Africa, a commenter. Yeah, langa for some 3. Why am I going to go? Look at the gig. Ego, you call land. I have some look at them. Oh, I knew he responded. Yeah, he wrote, to support the group, as you can see. But I was checking the comments. It appears that most people are disagreeing with Mranga Pandro can check. That's the reactions to Tana. No putting out the first time, like the big fence street. What agreement of comes a show boy, post Mayengani, as you can see. Then Vogo and when you are in that post, look and lol. And there, win low the Akela, but second Najelis Yavo, no, of course. Hlavu akan Mayengani, of course. DJ Mayengani, Hangava jump on just to see others. Yeah, Nava Mina Nation, I come to your house. Is your house. They posted my president. I want to go come so lol. Olo Kongero ani India. Well, what are looking check on? Look disagree. Regional that comes the owner of the house must post his house. Why Joe and Sabara must post someone's house? As you can see, one nominal. Why should they post your house? Is it a museum? Log like it. I bongo Mraga Pan Clamarin. Go at the chase. Comes up question 1. Is it necessary to post your house, Mr. President? Question 2. Is there a need for them to post your house, Mr. President? I don't track a Braga Pan that I don't track. This, of course, what I think you should copy. But it appears most people actually disagree with him. No one of the comments declining of and stuff like that. I'm very keen project. Yeah, Dr. Joshi Remane. There's a reason why we are here. Actually, I took the topic. I can't say the topics. What's happening? Mario, mostly. It's a channel most. Oh, okay, yeah. It's like a project there, and of course, Dr. Joshi Remane Ashibi. So, that song in Makhisimusi, one of the biggest hits. I did got that project. I think it was the best track. Yeah, it was the best track at 600k views. So, Mraga Panda is basically claiming is the one who also composed this track. As a mission to Zokakuli, comes at Mato, track of I compose in the similar area and stuff like that. Now, of course, Katakayam Garlia, not something about the voice, Raga Panda, Nasavara, and stuff like that. So, Magari continue Machine because Ranga Panda posted a clip to show you on Hlavu Sungula Masungulin. So, clip on the old, I don't know what the guy is claiming Ranga Panda. If it's a lot of Sanya. Mancha camarela, te gusta de As I've heard, Rosen can check out the comments. Can DJ Ben Mangan very well. Actually, is a very reliable source in succession of information very valid. If I come to matter this track, which I shikata over Mamranga Panda Shikata, I could rush out the good as it turns out as I'm sure now. So I read. I read. So also Hlavu, of course, I forgot the same thing like I've come to Namchai before you wash a muimbelir. You should tell David. So I show I have chai, I'm Rangapanda, of course. I wrote composing and stuff like that. I don't know what should eat are on a post the league, Gulanti, so prove a Korean and got the resonace to do one on I don't know. The intention of Rangapanda wife starring sort of I don't know. My listening conversation comes so I am a friend Dr. Joe. I guess maybe narrative I take such maybe use among comsono you know me by composer because I should come some with some totara composer so Makako Yalemga comment of young my one young winner what's the point? I got even straight the point they're going to so I read less. Okay, that segment ya Hlavu the gupta screenshot because I was trying to post and got a patung but we order and discussion that I feel one of some matter come bene bosha shinga dla poison. By the way, that's updated national because I could want to be first time Mayengani for come so we any poison it actually resa. And then I come so pela me and nashifu and then of course Hlavu comes so okay. And then he continued and wrote the 20 June 2025 I wrote ko daga boy ya hlayiwa that day anoteka mabutsi ya mina ni famba ka Limpopo poison. I remember this post I remember it but I don't think I updated about it because I was just straight to Hlavu la uzama online la post ko no kumntaka image lo why so image lo Facebook on top of what's happening, but the Africa daga boy as you can say 2025 kwa 20 and stuff like that. Okay. Hallo of course for conversation kwa na I place pattern ga just so afamba la but I have that maybe go na apply NP I don't remember but it's fine. Every post there shlunge. Then he continued and wrote question 1 alenderesa la kamera kapanda why va ku himina xikatawa it is a man like wo ngutiva hi mani like nga mahenga makwini ta control le ka Limpopo poison and the stock connected to see update hi post le ka tsale big fan ya mahenga. Question 2 evan vanjani ku ya hi n'wina so murangaphandla a yi hlamurela hi nga fe komisa ku ni yo khoma swi tiya i nge va Blissbouy ni la murangaphandla yi vula ka project ya hi Hlavu leyi nga huma very ko nge i va Blissbouy ni la yo yi nga khoma swi tiya as very mi swi tiva ka ni mu confirm ku ha beef because an close sasa yi ni hlamusela ku no beef a yi va kona la murangaphandla yo yi nga ta beef yoxe so beef yi loko no beef yi loko na ta mu confirm for na ku murangaphandla yi loko na beef aku se va na the changes and for now ni ngo vheta ni speculate ku mhaka ya gaweni ya ku ngheneni la and swi tiva ku yi nga beefa Dr. Joe njhani hi mhaka ya gaweni na vudokodela exandra ri na post leyi la nga kombisa timhaka ta ku phela next week hi ta va hi kha hi ku Dr. Mayengani the president and the lebyo rileriwa vudoctor na ku a beefa Dr. Joe I don't know of course a swi tiva ku vudokodela bya wena a hi vudokodela bya music or vudokodela bya profession ya yena ya vun'anga maswona mhaka leyiwa so a beefa yona kwalano hey mana hi Hlavu mara i tshembe yini mara hopefully mi nga hambana Mayengani because hey I read yeah if you want very clear ka Metrobeatz we have some great news because wa ku xava emovha leswi wa swi tiva loko emovha yani a car a vehicle kahle a German vehicle ako va movha ki German yeah so he wrote young focused and German engineered. Congratulations to myself, Mac baby, as you can see. So congratulations to Metrobeatz. Yeah, international, na Benz, and this one, yeah, A-class is still relevant. Yeah, you're related to young people. So, ngabala tan ko congratulations to him. Oh, ina sunroof. Okay, on go ichwa nkathi image being one. No, Benz, gas Benz nge Benz lo ni kahle itsasekin. You command the respect. Benz in class yo car. Shosho. Mina ka hayo na class. Ndaku yini. By the way, I'm a big fan of Mercedes Benz. Maybe go mention that's one never a bit biased towards the other Benz, but yeah. So ngabala tan ko congratulations to him. International as you kuna sound. So le show international sure or original maybe I gazina as you can see kwala squat no machine na no as mstoko ashashapanda impahla we all know sasekentional. I think I also saw a video clip here. Yeah mobile I friend wo take off like a lift. The side's clean, super clean and relevant. My bitch just gave me a baby, I'm watching her breast. Wow, it's clean and relevant still. Yeah, relevant. It lastly, yeah, relevant still. I can say that this design is timeless, no? It lastly, it is a timeless design. Mshkahle shona ngibona posting wona itsarina yeah na masipala gagasha yung 10,000 ya petrol as you can see kwala no shkahle shona masipala kuma mung 10,000 wona mranga phanda I think yung congratulate na go ilana kasukara ko kahle. I meant to say kona ngasunga this post and stuff like that. And yo mko bokudu post na shot like ngo and then up here on my feed. Yeah, so I congratulate kwala and then of course how come sa mato ang something la Metrobeatz, but I think wrote something most. I should comments fashion yamara, but yeah, you come so congratulations Messiah, Metrobeatz, or Magan Bang all comments. I forgot home to dial. This page is huge, most of of course, let me see. Oh, yeah, he is. I come so thank you, uncle, and stuff like that. Oh, Scott, I'm not sure if you rang up on the so it or what. I don't know. I don't know, maybe saw it, I don't know, but yeah, Scottish, hello. I even Dr. Jackson, of course, congratulated Metrobeatz. What congratulate. You could largo narrate the story. I could relation and she won't see Sean. You could send check a feed them after one video and come home. I am congratulating. So, what I'm congratulate no one of you want to even say Doko de Levo. No, such a pony when I was Niscora feed is Tremasho, Nsukai, Masho, Elish Motion Sukai. You could not check and find because no, you congratulating 1 hour as you can see. An update no it's fine for peace sake sure. Okay, tell like Blissbouy anta kuma update ko ranzo raro ku foreign kom sana Hlavu kwala ranzo raro ku foreign rava khadzu kwala na Blissbouy mfamba na the private game reserve as you can see kwala aquila kufamba na game reserve kwala mtashona loko afika ngivekela Blissbouy la very Aquila. Oh, the Cape Town. Yeah, Blissbouy. I'm from the Cape Town. Aquila, Cape Town. And I'm saying I just want to check this place first. Vokara Blissbouy figure umele la kwa London la as you can see here vokara shiga sama 2K tattoo ya Blissbouy tattoo. Anaitiva, unkun musaitiva XX2K tattoo na Blissbouy la. So Scottish na yede ma foreign Scottish nan. Okay. I wonder. Scottish nan. You want image li Blissbouy kanang sa sko kana ongtiva. Ongtiva na long hair na liya shishwa. Yes, long hair. Yeah, long braids as you can see kana so Scottish nan Scottish. Oh, that machine. Scottish. I enjoy while it lasts. The reason I'm saying this because I know bless you and that's why I'm saying this. So it's more like if it's a very sort of it can make her angry. I read. Let me check his account check show what yena anga postang na. Oh, actually post don't go go on the na lava voko ra xigaza xa va 2K because we wrote I hope we are all going to Makhadzi with dance again picnic at Fountains Valley, Pretoria on the 1st of May. Promoter as you can see, so as you can see, what about two obvious Makhisimusi stop about data, go update. Only Palamakas is huge, guys. And it's a update that she's too big. So yeah, kuba Blissbouy runs and I figure we can update didn't you go show I guess. Leswo a dripina swi ri kahle swinene leswo loko ri amukeza subscribe please subscribe.